Kerela, a land adorned with lush greenery and rich traditions, is home to magnificent Shiva temples that attract thousands of devotees and tourists alike. These sacred sites not only showcase ancient architecture, but also provide a serene atmosphere for reflection and spirituality. For entrepreneurs like Krishna Kalita, founder of Gamari Enterprises, Kerala's vibrant culture serves as a backdrop for both personal and professional growth. His journey as a successful businessman began after he left Assam, bringing with him dreams and innovative ideas that would flourish in South India. With an impressive decade of experience navigating the business landscape of southern India, Krishna's expertise has compelled him to create a brand synonymous with quality and tradition. His speeches in Malayalam and Tamil reflect a deep commitment to blending regional flavors with modern business strategies, showcasing the importance of understanding local cultures in fostering successful ventures. The recent Advantage Assam 2.0 Investment Summit stands testament to his dedication, as he successfully secured a staggering 25 crore investment from the Assam government to expand the reach of his Gamari brand. Founded in 1987 under the guidance of his father, Hari Chandra Kalita, Gamari Group has evolved into a prominent name across Assam, with 6 franchises already operational. Krishna's passion for entrepreneurship shines through his endeavors, inviting others to explore franchise distribution opportunities throughout India. As he continues to study the Gita Puran and reaffirm his roots, Krishna Kalita exemplifies the dynamic spirit of modern India while honoring its traditions, paving the way for a future rich in potential and success.